Hello and welcome back to my channel. So if you are new to my channel, then please take a moment to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. The two main ingredients that goes into this dish is tomato ketchup that totally changes the taste of the dish and gives you that perfect balance of sweetness, and the second one is vinegar that gives you that mild tangy flavor to the dish. And if you are a spicy lover like me, then add in the red chili powder right at the end so that you get that spicy kick to the dish. To begin with, in a pressure cooker, add 5 to 6 tablespoons of mustard oil. Once the oil becomes smoking hot, add in the sliced onions. Now that the onions are caramelized, add in 1.5 teaspoon of ginger paste, 3 teaspoons of garlic paste, and green chili paste as per your taste. Mix it well. Now add in half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 tomato chopped up into cubes. Again give it a quick mix. Now add in 1.5 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and salt as per your taste. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar and again saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now add in the mutton pieces and next add in 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, 3 teaspoons of tomato ketchup, and 2 teaspoons of vinegar. Combine all the masalas very well along with the mutton pieces. Check for the seasoning. Now add in water as per the consistency that you prefer. Mix it well and now pop on the lid. Pressure cook it for about 3 to 4 whistles or until the mutton is soft and tender. Open the lid and it should look something like this. Now this is optional. I have added 1 tablespoon of the spicy red chili powder and half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Now check whether the mutton is soft or not. and then serve it onto a plate. The final look of the dish should be like this. You can have it over hot steaming rice or with roti as per your preference. Today's tip is the more you saute your masalas along with the mutton and the more patience you have, the more tastier your mutton will be. I will highly urge you to make this recipe this weekend and give your feedbacks in the comment section down below. Please do follow me on Instagram. Instagram handle is given in the description box down below. And if you have tried any of my recipes, then please do not forget to tag me on my Facebook page given right here. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.